Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I hope everyone is doing okay. I woke up a little while ago and I was like, you know what? I don't think I've ever done a no makeup look. To be honest, with this quarantine going on, I know I posted a couple pictures where I've looked like all made up and dressed up, but that's honestly like really super unrealistic. Sometimes, you know, it just feels good to just get ready and just feel good about yourself, even though we get all dressed up with nowhere to go. But realistically, this routine, which takes me like under 5 minutes, is something I do all the time. It's even something that I would do if I were going to the gym or, you know, just wanting to throw myself together in a short period of time. So this is my no makeup look. If you guys want to see how to get it, then please keep watching. So step 1, Cover FX Blurring Primer. This one's almost empty, so I definitely need a new one. I think they even changed what the packaging looks like. That's how long I've had it, but I really love a good mattifying primer. Let me try and squeeze whatever's left out of here. The reason I like doing this step first is because it just really mattifies and blurs out all the pores. So I literally just woke up, so don't mind the hair. But yeah, I like to just apply it all over mostly the center part of my face because it just instantly blurs. And since we're doing like a no makeup look, we're not going to be using foundation. Now this is just my routine, what I've been doing for like a real no makeup, but I just feel like a little bit more myself when I do that. If you guys want to use concealer, you can. Like I have a couple of dark spots on my face and you know, my under eyes are a little bit more on the dark side, but when I've been doing my routine, I just haven't even been using concealer. So if you want to use concealer, of course, now would be the time. So I'm actually taking this like edge booster stuff and the end of my eyebrow brush, and I'm gonna just brush up my eyebrows first before I fill them in. This really helps the hair stay up and in place, so you need a lot less eyebrow product, which is nice, because sometimes I get a little carried away with the eyebrows when I have no makeup on and it just kind of ruins the whole look. So this is my way of like not overdoing it, because when the hairs are pushed up, it makes them look fuller naturally. So if I was doing like my regular makeup routine, I would be using my Granite Brow Wiz by Anastasia. But when I do no makeup, I like to use Ebony, which is one shade lighter, because again, it just looks a little bit more natural. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of very lightly fill in wherever I feel like I need it. And by the way, I'm sitting in front of my window right now, so I have like no artificial lighting. I wanted you guys to see it with like real lighting, like natural daylight lighting, I should say. So I just like to do like strokes and just kind of fill in. So like this eyebrow is naturally higher, so I always fill in a little bit lower under here. So one thing I literally always do is I overline my lips. So I did my last 2 videos, I did like skincare and all of that, and a lot of people were asking if I got my lips tattooed. So no, this is my lips. These are my lips with nothing on them. You could see no lip injections for those of you guys still questioning it. What I do is I just like to overline them with a lip color that's similar to my lips. So the lip liner that I had on and that I've been using nonstop is the one that I designed, my Bybel lip liner, which is no longer available. Everything is out of stock. So for the sake of this video, I will use a different one because I know that makes it kind of pointless if I use products that can't be found. So I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude. This one I just rebought. I have another one that's like about this big. I love this color. It's a really nice natural lip liner. And I like to overline my lips, so you could see the difference. And then I like to fill it in. And then I always go like this, just to kind of blend it so it's not like super sharp, like all around the edges. So this is gonna sound crazy, but I have this makeup brush that I use literally every single time I do my makeup. So there's always kind of like remnants of shadow on it. So I'll just kind of like go like this. And it just adds like a tiny bit of shadow, like tiny bit. So you could grab like a bronzer, or I just always am using like a light brown, honestly, the past couple of weeks. So I'll just kind of like do whatever's left over. This is also something that I just started doing, but I kind of prefer like a no makeup look without mascara. I don't want my eyelashes to look like they have mascara on. So I started using the Anastasia Dark Brown Dip Brow Gel. And I had this in my drawer, and I wanted a brown mascara because I was like, I wanted something that looked a little bit more natural. And like this eye is just naturally bigger for me, and then it has like the lashes here kind of stand up a little bit more. So I kind of want to mock like how that looks on this eye. So I just go in with the Dip Brow, and I use it like mascara. And it just kind of darkens the lashes without making it look like you have mascara on, which is cool. So if I do mascara, my lashes get long, thick, and like black. And I just really want it to look super natural. So you can see how it just kind of lifted the lashes and made them look a little bit more similar to like right how this side looks, which is so annoying that, of course, my bigger eye has like more lifted lashes. And I really never use a lash curler, which I probably should, but I'm gonna do a little bit on the outer part of this eye too, just to match. So you can see. And the next step, I have this flower blush in Sweet Pea. This one's one of my favorites. And I like a lot of blush when I'm doing like my no makeup because a couple days I actually laid out and I got like flushed cheeks, and to me that's like my favorite part of like the summer. It just makes you look like really healthy. Ooh. And I like it on my nose. Like all under the eyes, like everywhere you would naturally get flushed. And one more step, super easy. I have the Natasha Denona Face Glow. I'll take a little bit on my finger. It's like a creamy glow. I'll just kind of tap it, and I'll just kind of like add it to my cheeks a little bit, just to add like dewiness to the face. Oh yeah, I hit a little on my lips. You could do a little on your lid if you want, tiny bit. Because again, you want it to look like you don't have makeup on. That's the whole point. Like there's natural makeup looks, and then there's like no makeup. So a little bit on the nose. And honestly, that is it. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sending so much love and positivity your way, and we're all gonna get through this. Let's pray that this ends soon. Personally, I'm looking forward to some warmer weather here. We've had a couple nice days, which I've been able to go outside and like lay out a little bit and just get some sun because, you know, where I live, it's been cold and windy. So that's something I'm looking forward to. But spend this time to just do something for yourself. Do things that you couldn't get around to doing. Like for instance, me, I literally pretty much finished decorating my house, which is so exciting for me because I've been here. August will be 2 years, so it feels really good to just get a lot of stuff done. So I hope you guys are also using this time to do positive things for yourself. Spend the time to pamper yourself. I just posted like a pamper day routine on my last video, which you guys should totally check out. Comment below, let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm gonna try and post as much as possible during these times, but I love you so much. Stay strong, stay positive, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.